A histogram is a very valuable tool if you want to improve your photography. So what is a histogram? Well, let me explain it this way. Imagine I take a photo of yours. Let's make it a black and white. And I decided to pull all the pixels apart. Now I would have a range of black pixels and white pixels and no doubt a whole range of in between. And then I decided to put all the blacks on one side, all the whites on the other side, and all the variations in between into their own separate piles. And I then stacked the top of one of each of those pixels. Clearly, what I would get is a whole set of columns of different pixels of varying amounts depending on the image that you provided me. And that in essence is what a histogram is. It's a record of how many pixels I have of each shade of grey, starting from the black to the white. To be more correct, it's actually talking at the luminosity of each of those pixels. And so if I have a black image, my only pixels provided will be black, and so I'd get a clear black line down one side. If I have a white image, then clearly my pile would consist simply of the white pixels and I'd have a white line on that side. Again, if it was a grey image, as a result, all my pixels would be stacked in the middle, neither black nor white, but in the grey. Take this picture here. This is a gradient image, and therefore, as a result, it's a selection of black right through to white with the midtones in between. Its histogram, in this case, shows you the range of pixels I have, and in this case you can clearly see that I have more black pixels and white pixels compared to those in between. And then finally, here's this image. Again, same idea. The idea is that the black pixels and the white pixels and every other pixel in between has been recorded as an amount. And in essence, you therefore have this graph, which we call the histogram. I hope that makes sense to you and gives you a better understanding of how the histogram works.